we use an immersive suite for our training. We're lucky enough to have an immersive suite on site, which we can be adapted to create any environment by changing the live images that are projected on the walls and use patient mannequins and laboratory equipment, as you can see in the photos here. So we've created a mock pathology reception where students are trained on sample receipt, sample sorting, numbering up and booking in samples. They practice role play scenarios like receiving urgent samples from a patient handing it in at reception, and receiving telephone calls with a range of different queries such as GP test requests, patients phoning for their own test results, and also the challenging consultant calls just for practice. They also learn how to prepare and send samples to reference laboratories, completing the forms using the LIMS system and packaging the sample ready for the courier, who actually comes to the front desk to collect the packaged samples. The room adjacent to the immersive suite, you can see on the top right photos, has audio and visual connection, so students can watch what is going on in the immersive suite and give their feedback on the performance. This helps students in preparation for the workplace and provides apprentices with experience to be able to train in areas outside of their department. And the students really enjoy this type of activity and always give us positive feedback and always ask to do more of it. We've also developed our own working LIMS system to enable students to learn how to book in samples that they've numbered up and fill in the relevant data fields which are required, such as sample type, investigation and patient identifiable information, as well as able to look up patient details and the results when they're ready. Although we appreciate that different trusts use different LIMS systems, it's important to familiarise students with the concept of the LIMS and the importance of the accuracy of data entry. Additionally, the LIMS system has a built-in DATEC system for allowing students to be able to learn how to report incidents and near misses and the types of incidents that should be reported, as well as the processes involved in their investigation. We also use a dedicated laboratory for biomedical science training for students completing work-based training programmes, and this is in addition to the regular large lab sessions. This is where students work in small groups to mimic a team of BMSs working together in the lab using current pathology equipment and techniques. And this not only helps develop their practical skills, but also teamwork and communication skills. This helps to complement the practical training that students and apprentices complete in the workplace and provides experience of techniques and equipment that are used in other departments other than where they work in.